Welcome to our video comparing Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker and Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL. We will be evaluating these two products based on certain categories to help you decide which one is the better fit for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. Both appliances use significantly less oil to cook, making your food healthier. Tasti-Crisp reduces added fat by 70 to 80% using air crisp technology without sacrificing the taste of the food. The Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL claims to have up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods, making it healthier without compromising the taste. Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL has a larger capacity of 5.5 quarts and can cook up to 3 pounds of French fries or wings, while Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker has a 2.6 quarts capacity, which is perfect for smaller kitchens, first apartments, and college dorm life. The Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL includes 5 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. It also comes with a 20 recipe book to help inspire you to create new dishes. Meanwhile, Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker is perfect for cooking frozen treats like chicken nuggets, fish sticks, and other snacks. Its small and compact design makes it easy to carry around for camping trips or RV traveling. The Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL has a wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing for either gentle removal of moisture from foods or quickly cooking and crisping foods with convection heat. Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker has automatic shut-off function with cool touch handle, making it safe to use. Both Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker and Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL have non-stick baskets and crisper plates, which are dishwasher safe, making cleaning up after cooking easier. Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker is available for $59 United States dollars, making it an affordable option for people looking for a small and compact air fryer. Meanwhile, Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL is more expensive at $159 United States dollars. This difference in price is worth considering if you are on a tight budget. That was our comparison of the Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven cooker and Ninja AF150 AMZ air fryer XL. We hope we've helped you make a decision on your next air fryer purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.